how to search a code on Temu. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Temu app on your device. Make sure you are signed in and now tap on the U option on the bottom center of your screen and further tap on the coupons and offers option you see there. Now, in the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to view all your unused, used, and expired coupon codes. Now, in order to search a code, simply tap on the Enter Coupon Code text box and further enter your coupon code and tap on the Apply button. And with this, if the coupon code you entered is correct, the discount should reflect automatically in the order summary while you make a purchase. The total price should be adjusted based on the promo code you applied, showing the discount applied. So, this is how you can search a code on Temu. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.